What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Dr.SidewayZ in the house. Alright, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the R32. So, we're down to just running fuel lines. It's an absolute disaster, so you have to overlook it. We got to run fuel lines, mount the fuel pressure regulator. Really don't know where I'm going to do that. Not trying to drill any holes in the firewall or anything. We got to build the intercooler elbow here. We also have to plumb it for the turbo over here. I'm gonna go ahead and get what I'm working on my ECU off. User, working on that. We also got the engine wire harness over here that I'm working on. I got Alex's block that I'm working on. Also have a bunch of other RVs over here and lined up waiting. So we got radiator in now. We got the shroud. And it's funny because it looks like I actually painted this thing, but I didn't. Hold on. I discovered this product. Cerakote. I'm not sure if you're familiar with them. They actually make gun coatings, and they're Divian in the automotive industry. So it's definitely worth a look, and I'm thoroughly impressed with how it looks. It literally looks like I clear coated it, but it's not. It's literally a coating. So you just clean it, take it, wipe it on, allow it to dry, and it's good for like 200 or so washings. I'll put the link down in the description below so you can check it out. But jumping back to the R32, I gotta finish up the wiring. I gotta build the intercooler piping over here, intercooler piping over there, finish up the AN lines for my catch can, go through and nut and bolt everything, make sure everything's tight. Draw me some little lines on there, make sure that nothing's loosening up. I gotta come over here, finish up the power steering. This is where I ended up deciding to mount the thing as far as the power steering cooler. I'm gonna come in here, mount the boost controller. For right now, it's just flailing around over here. No idea where I'm gonna put that. Possibly up here. I may even hide it, but I feel like these braided lines look really nice. Alright guys, as far as the interior, I have R33 3rd Series seats. You can tell them by the red inlays in the seats and then also the red stitching. They look really nice, and that's honestly the best seat until the R34 seats came out. But those are basically made of unobtainium. So good luck with that if that's what you want. I want some, but it's not going to work out financially. Got the rear seats in. They're also R33 seats. There's a little bit of modification that you have to do to get them in, but they will work. I have some door cards out of a nice R32 that I'm fixing to put in because mine are absolute trash. I'm gonna show you this. Just garbage, man. Like, look how bad that is. We're definitely gonna take care of that. Like I said, I got some minty door panels. There's the rest of the interior of the floor. As I was saying, we got the GK Tech handbrake installed. We got the twin bracket going on. The color's off a little bit in the camera, but this is actually basically like the Nismo copper, or whatever you want to call it. We got the subframe in, so we're rocking R33 subframe, a non-Hikis. We got a combination of conversion bushings, various control arms, but it is in. Our track width came out a little bit around 20 millimeters wider, so that's going to be something that we have to put some effort into matching up some wheels with. Basically, I don't know if you see in there, gotta finish running the fuel lines. We got a lot of stuff going on as far as the fuel system, quite a few pumps. They're all gonna be going back here. It's an absolute disaster in the back, so you'll have to look over that. Guys, so we actually have a surprise, and I'm very stoked to bring this to you. I actually picked up a drone, so this can make things a lot more interesting. I'm gonna get some nice footage. We take us to some drift events, maybe do some live streaming. I do have to get up to 1,000 subscribers before I can live stream. So if you don't mind, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so I can go ahead and start doing that. That'll be something that would be really neat to be able to do. I ended up going with the Maverick Pro, the DJI Maverick Pro. It's really neat. It's very compact. Basically, the arms fold out, and then, man, it's really awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some video right now. Hope you enjoyed that. So that's the plan. I do want to start doing some aerial shots. If that's something that you want to see, go ahead and throw that down in the comments. Just say, hey, let's get some aerial shots going. I'm so excited. I'm like a little kid on Christmas, bro. But anyways, that's the surprise. So we can get back to the Skyline now. Shit. Arrivederci, you degenerates. Thank you for viewing my channel. Hasta Luigi. I think I need a haircut. Yeah, guys, so we're actually making